Hi, I'm Troy from iRobot, and today we're discussing the Roomba 692 robotic vacuum cleaner. The Roomba 692 is an excellent option for those who want cleaner floors every day at an affordable price. First, let's go ahead and take a look at what's inside the box of the Roomba 692. We have our Roomba 692 robotic vacuum cleaner, our Roomba owner's guide, which will give you all the information you need to set up the Roomba 692 inside your home, as well as registering your robot. And we have our home-based charging station and power cord. The home base is what your Roomba 692 will return to if it's running low on battery or when it's finished a cleaning mission. Now let's discuss the features and benefits of the Roomba 692, beginning with the 3-stage cleaning system. The Roomba 692 will grab everything from small dust to large debris using iRobot's patented 3-stage cleaning system. It has 2 multi-surface brushes to grab everything from small dust to large debris from carpets and hard floors. The first brush loosens and lifts dirt, and the second brush pulls it in to be suctioned up. Debris hiding in corners or along wall edges is swept into the cleaning path by the specially designed edge sweeping brush to be suctioned off your floors. The Roomba 692 even cleans like you would, removing dirt and dust from high-traffic areas of your home using our patented dirt detect technology. Sensors inside the robot recognize concentrated areas of dirt and prompt the robot to clean them more thoroughly. This is perfect for situations like your entryway or your mudroom, which typically tend to gather dirt and dust more frequently. And using reactive navigation, the Roomba 692 has a full suite of intelligent sensors to help guide the robot around and under furniture. The robot makes more than 60 decisions per second to adapt to your home and help clean your floors more thoroughly. With the brand new iRobot Home app, control over the way you clean your home is at your fingertips, so you can set up schedules and routines at the touch of a button. The Roomba 692 can even learn your home's unique cleaning routines and save them as favorites in the app for easy access. It can also suggest cleaning schedules based on your cleaning habits and busiest times. It will also recommend things that you might not even have thought of, like extra cleaning during pet shedding and allergy seasons. And the app will update your robot with the latest software to make sure that you always have access to the newest features. And with smart home compatibility through Google Assistant and Alexa-enabled devices, like the Amazon Echo, the Echo Dot, and the Echo Spot, you can clean without lifting a finger. Just say, "Alexa, tell Roomba to clean," and the Roomba 692 will begin cleaning your home at the sound of your voice. Using IFTTT, or If This Then That, your robot can also communicate with smart devices like smart door locks, smart thermostats, and other smart devices in your home. So your robot can begin cleaning when you leave for the day and finish by the time that you get home, adapting to your ever-changing schedule. This is perfect for those times when you're picking your kids up from school and you don't have to worry about them tripping over the robot when they get home. It knows to return back to its base as soon as you open your garage door. In conclusion, the Roomba 692 is an excellent option for those who want cleaner floors every day at an affordable price. Thanks for watching.